Okay, back again with another video. This one's another Beatles song, Things We Said Today. It's rather straightforward, rather simple. Starts with the A minor, alternating to the E minor. Or you could say a minor 1 to a minor 5, I guess. So. Alternatively, there's variations on these chords. Or, there's more than one guitarist. One could play the cowboy chord variation, another could play more of a jazz variation. But here we go. You say you will love me if I have to go. And sometimes you hear on the album this pentatonic guitar riff. It's all in the pentatonic scale. The one, the minor third, the fourth, fifth. Maybe the basses can do it or whatever, but you'll be thinking of me. Somehow I will know. And now we go to C major. Someday when I'm C dominant 7, F to a B flat major. So again, someday when I'm lonely, wishing you weren't so far away. There's some great harmonies on that section. If you're, have a duet or a trio or a quartet or whatever, a whole choir, have fun with it. Back to the A minor. Things we said today. You say you'll be mine, girl, till the end of time. So that's where that guitar riff comes in. These days, such a kind girl seems so hard to find. Someday when we're dreaming, deep in love, not a lot to say, then I will remember. Here's where it comes up to change. A major. Things we said today. And it builds up there. And then it kind of has this kind of a blues riff. Me, I'm just a lucky kind. So it goes from the A to the D. B7 dominant to an E7. So A to the D, to the B7, to the E7, to the A, to the D, to the B7. Now it goes down a half step to the B flat 7. And back to the A minor and E minor. That's enough to make you mine, girl. Be the only one. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Love me all the time, girl. We'll go on and on. Someday when we're dreaming, deep in love, not a lot to say. It's pretty straightforward. Things we said today. So, be careful what you say today. And I'll say this. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.